Have you ever looked into your parents' eyes and seen a whole world of love inside? The quiet care, the warm smiles, the hands that worked so hard just for you? This is the story of a boy named Arun, of dreams, of distance, and of a love that waited too long. In a small village where green fields danced with the wind, lived a little boy named Arun. His family didn't have much money, but their home was full of love. Arun's father worked long hours in the hot sun, plowing the soil with tired hands and a strong heart. His mother cooked simple food every day, and quietly gave her own share to Arun, so he could eat well and grow strong. They had one big dream, that Arun would grow up, get a good job, and never forget their love. As Arun grew older, he moved to the big city. It was loud, exciting, full of new dreams. He studied hard, made new friends, met a kind girl, and fell in love. Soon, without telling his parents, Arun got married. He was happy in the city, while two hearts slowly broke, far away. He didn't call, didn't visit, didn't write, and while he smiled, they waited, in silence. Back in the village, Arun's mother sat by the door every day. She looked at the road, hoping to see her son. "Maybe today," she whispered. "Maybe today, my boy will come home." His father grew old and weak, but still worked in the fields, still holding on to hope. But Arun never came. One day, everything changed. Arun lost his job. He was sad, confused, and alone. When life became hard, his wife left. He sat in silence, thinking about all he had lost. And suddenly, he remembered his parents. His mother's gentle voice, his father's strong hands, the home he had forgotten. "I want to go back," he whispered. "I want to go home." When Arun reached the village, his house looked old, quiet, still. His father had already passed away, waiting for the son who never came. His mother, now very old, could barely see, but she heard his footsteps and softly said, "My son, I waited for you." Arun held her weak hands and cried. His tears fell, like rain on dry earth. She smiled softly and whispered, "But now, it's time for me to go," and her eyes closed forever. Arun sat beside her, his heart heavy with pain. He had chased success. He had forgotten love. And now, he had lost what mattered most: a mother's sacrifice, a father's hope, a love that asked for nothing, but gave everything. He understood, too late. Let's learn the words Arun forgot. Love, a deep feeling of care and giving, like a mother feeding you before feeding herself. Hope, believing that something good will happen, like waiting at the door every single day, just to see someone you love. Regret, a sad feeling inside when you wish you had done something before it was too late. Respect, treating someone with kindness and honor, like never forgetting the people who gave you everything. Home, not just a place, but hearts that love you, even when you're far away. Sometimes we move far away, looking for big dreams, but in that journey, we must not forget the people who loved us first. Your parents gave you life, gave you love, and never asked for much in return. Don't make them wait. Don't wait to say, "I love you." If this story touched your heart, call your parents today. Say thank you. Say you love them. In the comments, tell us one thing your parents did for you that you'll never forget. Tag someone you love, or share this with someone who needs to hear it.
Subscribe for more stories that warm your heart, open your eyes, and guide you gently home.
Success is empty if love is left behind.